Good morning, afternoon, evening, night, whatever it may be for you. Apparently, in my newbiness, I kept forgetting to record intros and outros for videos. So I was kind of somewhat expecting maybe to just have one big video of the entire rotated kit build. I don't know. But with that said, we got another rotated build video for you. In this video, we will be building our up pipe. I don't know why I did like this for up pipe. That makes no sense because, you know, maybe I'll put a picture in there so there's an up pipe. I don't know how to do all that, so I probably won't. But anyway, we'll be building our up pipe today. As you saw in the previous video, we started hacking things up and kind of trying to match things up. So kick back, relax, and enjoy the video. Leg out. I don't know how many Legos I should put in a video, but that and deuces for my outro seem to be my catchphrases. If you think those are dumb, let me know in the comments. If you got something better for me, put it in the comments. Holla. Let's do this. All right, so got the flange cut off and kind of ran into our first little issue, if you will. The piping here, let me set this down so I can display. Piping here does not match piping here. So I'm guessing this is 2 1/8 maybe. This was some stuff left over from a OBX catback I bought for my E46 I had not a long time ago, but a few years ago. Thought it was 2-inch, but so it's a little bit bigger. It's not a huge deal. But this flange did match this piping. So I'm not sure how I want to proceed from here. Because I have this 2-inch piping, which is just the same. So, I mean, can work something out with that, or got another piece from that exhaust, and I can almost just completely start over again with this 190, but I can take this 90 and a couple of these shorter pieces and make a couple pies to. Then I gotta bore this out to match this. And I don't feel like doing that. So, what I'll probably end up doing is just welding this to this, and so be it. Part of me wants to say that this might not even be a bad thing, because I think, I'm no botanist, but with the airflow, and then you're going into a bigger opening, doesn't that cause I don't want to say a vacuum, because it's not going to be an actual vacuum, but doesn't that, cause a, you don't know. I don't know. I don't know how to articulate what I'm trying to say, but what's the word? If you ever want to look smart, don't do this. But no, going from the small diameter to larger diameter, it'll draw the air. I know there's a specific word I'm trying to think of and I can't think of it. And I feel really dumb in front of all of you, even though you are gonna love me anyway, maybe. But yeah, so yeah, I'll just weld these together. But yeah, it's either that or we build off of it with the matching diameter and then go from this to this anyway. Ooh, that just slips right in there, doesn't it? Well, now that kind of has me thinking. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and measure and do some marking and figure out where I gotta go. We'll figure it out. No big deal. NBD. Lego. All right, guys. So I decided to change it up a little bit on the up pipe. I did, in fact, switch over to the 2-inch piping to match the rest of the up pipe. PLM, shout out. Good quality product that I hacked up after putting 20 miles on it. But yeah, so got everything tacked together. I still haven't gotten my purge plugs yet, but I'm impatient, so I think I'm gonna go ahead and weld it up. Might as well, I mean. Alrighty then, got that welded up. Some nice, some pretty decent beads here. I don't know what I'm doing in front of the camera right now, but yeah, could have went a little hotter, especially on the flange side. But we got her. Now I think it's time to try and put this bad boy in the engine bay with the turbo on. And we'll see where exactly we want to position it and see if we can maybe get some zip ties on her to get us to get it held in place, so that I can take some measurements and or some cardboard templates and make my support brackets. So we'll move on to that. And there you have it, folks. But I don't know what these hand gestures I'm doing are. I really don't. I don't. But whatever. So there is your up pipe and sneak peek of what our Turbski is gonna look like. Chill. Looks beautiful, like it belongs, because it does. So thank you everyone for watching this video. Please, as always, go ahead, like, comment, subscribe if you haven't already. Feedback, let's get it. Let's get it. It can be constructive criticism as well. You ain't gonna hurt my feelings. So yeah, thanks for watching. Thanks for following along the series if you have been. I know it's pretty much just started, but it's still very much appreciated that you're playing along, hopefully enjoying this build, and past me cannot wait to get it finished and enjoy it. So we will catch you in the next one. Deuces.